So you have learned basic crochet stitches. Now you want to make real projects. Don't worry, I've got 5 of them. Let's get into it. First we'll start with a slip knot, and after making a slip knot we'll make 5 chain. After making 5 chain, we are going to make one slip stitch into the very last stitch, and again we are going to chain 9. After making chain 9, we are going to make another slip stitch into the next chain. And that's your first petal is ready. We are going to continue this. Again, we are going to make another 9 chain. We'll make a slip stitch into the next chain stitch. And your crochet flower is ready. This is the most easiest and quick crochet project you can ever make. Let's move on to the next one. Again, for this project, start with a slip knot, and then we are going to make 16 chains. After making 16 chain, into the second chain from the hook, we are going to make one single crochet, and we will make single crochet until we reach the end. Chain 1 and turn your work. Can you see these 2 loops on the top? Well, this one is back loop and this one is called the front loop. So we are going to work in the back loop only. So insert your hook into the back loop and make one single crochet. Insert your hook into the back loop only and make one single crochet, and this process we are going to repeat till we reach the end. After reaching the end, we are going to make another single crochet into the back loop only, and then chain 1 and turn your project. So this will create a beautiful pattern. Now we are going to repeat the process until we reach our required height. After that, cut your yarn, stitch the edges neatly, and there your coaster is ready. Now let's move on to the next one. So start with a slip knot and make 21 chains. Now we are going to make one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and we will keep making single crochet until we reach the end. So this is perfect if you're learning and you want to make a simple and small shape, and this is probably the fastest one on this list. And after that, chain 1 and repeat the process. Well, beginners often miss the last stitch, so be careful with that. Right now I'm going to end here because I don't want it to be very long, so I'll cut the yarn. You can decorate it with the flower we have just made. Now let's move on to the next project. For this project you're going to need a rubber band, so tie your yarn, make a knot. Now insert your hook inside the rubber band, yarn over, pull through and make one slip knot like this. Now we are going to make single crochet until we cover the rubber band. So keep making single crochet. After that, we are going to make one slip knot into the very last stitch or into the very first single crochet. We are going to chain 1 and we are going to make 2 single crochet into each stitches. That means 2 single crochet into the same gap. Make one slip knot into the very last or into the very first stitch. Now you can keep going but I'm going to end here, so I'll cut the yarn, and there your scrunchie is ready. Now let's move on to the next one. We'll start with the slip knot, and we are going to make 16 chains. After making 16 chain, into the second chain we are going to make single crochet, and we will make single crochet until we reach the end. Then we are going to chain 1 and turn our project. Now from here things are going to be a little interesting. So into the very first stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 chain. Now we are going to skip 1 chain or 1 stitch. Skip 1 stitch. Into the next stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet plus 1 chain. So we'll keep repeating this process until we reach the end. After that, into the very last stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 chain, and we'll turn our project. For your convenience, can you see this heart shape? We are going to insert a hook, and we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 stitch into that heart shape gap. So we will begin with very first heart shape. Insert your hook, make 1 single crochet plus 1 chain, and then we'll move on to the next heart shape. Can you see this? So insert your hook, make 1 single crochet and 1 chain, and we are going to repeat this process until we reach our desired height. So now I have reached here. I'm going to cut the yarn, tie a knot, and then I'm going to sew the corners of our pouch. Now make it the right side out, and there your pouch is ready. If you want a button like the other pouch, you can add a button also. I'm going to attach chain on the top, that's why I did not stitch it. So those were my 5 beginner friendly project. If you're a complete beginner, pick one, finish it, and then move on to the next. And now I want to know, which one would you make first? Tell me your number in the comments, and if you make one, I would love to see it. And don't forget to check the beginner friendly crochet course, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy crochet!